Ready, set, adventure! Welcome to Hikanuki World Tour. Join us as we explore the Halepuna Waikiki by Halekulani. This boutique hotel in the heart of Waikiki offers luxury and relaxation and is tucked away from the hustle and bustle. But everything from restaurants to shopping to the beach are all within a short walk. So come along with us on our stay at the Halepuna. The Halepuna is located between Halemau Road and Kalia Road, directly across from the Halekulani. The Halepuna, formerly the Waikiki Park Hotel, opened in October of 2019, and it is the sister hotel of its iconic across-the-street neighbor, the Halekulani. The exterior design of the hotel gives a sneak peek of what awaits. The parking garage entrance for both the Halepuna and the Halekulani can be found on Kalia Road. Let's go take a look at the lobby. All staff were friendly and helpful, and service was impeccable. As we entered, we saw a beautiful floral display. We immediately noticed the sophisticated and subdued elegance of the lobby. The light and natural furnishings, antique wood high ceiling, made for a very welcoming and inviting space. The design is influenced by the Halekulani and gives a similar environmental feel. Prices at the Halepuna are usually between $325 and $400 per night, and there's no resort fee. This is about half the price of the Halekulani. We're going to be staying at the Halekulani tomorrow night, and then we're going to be able to compare and contrast the differences in the hotels and the price points. So far, I have to say I'm very impressed with the Halepuna. It's immaculately clean and not a cushion out of place. Our check-in was fast and efficient, with employees speaking both English and Japanese. Adjacent to the check-in desk are restrooms with key card access, as well as the elevator bank, which also requires key card access. The hotel has 284 rooms and 4 suites on 23 floors, and you can choose from city, mountain, or ocean views. The porte cochere is located on Halemau Road, where you can find valet parking. This entrance will take you to the back of the lobby. The name Halepuna comes from the words house and springs, and is interpreted to mean the house of welcoming waters. You will notice artwork throughout the hotel, which showcases works of local artists influenced by Hawaii's unique environment. And after a quick walk down that wide, long hallway, we're back to the main lobby. Now let's go up and check out our room. We have a 2 double-bed Oceanview room with balcony on the 16th floor, room 1602. In our first impression, wow, look at that view. The room was clean and modern feeling. It was a little on the small side, but certainly adequate for 2 people. It did not have a desk or table, but the view was breathtaking, so who could get any work done anyway? Beds were comfortable, and I really liked the color palette. Windows had blackout shades to ensure a good night's rest. Bathroom was nice and impeccably clean with a lot of marble. It had the Japanese washlet toilet, which is common in many hotels in Hawaii. Towels and washcloths were soft and plentiful. Our room had a bathtub with shower, and the shower head was adjustable or could be handheld. Overall, it was a very nice and clean bathroom. Closet was a typical hotel closet with 2 robes, iron and ironing board, slippers and suitcase rack on one side, with more hanging space, a safe and a shelf on the other side. There was an unstocked mini fridge, coffee station, electric kettle, and 2 water bottles. And there's that view again. I really think you'd be hard-pressed to find such a nice room with nice view at this price point. I guess I do prefer a room with 2 queen beds, but that's just being nitpicky. The balcony had 2 cushioned chairs and a small table. Again, it was rather small, but fine for 2 people. The one negative in the morning is that we were on a busy alleyway, and there was a lot of activity down there, and it was rather loud. However, in the room, you could not hear any of this noise. Looking across the street, we see the Halekulani and its beautiful orchid pool. I've been dreaming about that pool for as long as I can remember, and can't believe tomorrow we're actually going to swim in it. So that's all for the room. Now let's get ready and go to the pool. Just a reminder to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to Hikanuki World Tour. It really helps our channel grow. Thanks, we really do appreciate you. On the 8th floor, you'll find the Vitality Pool and Hot Tub. The building across from us is the Sheraton Hotel. We found the hot tub to be just the right temperature, and it was large enough to accommodate many guests. The pool had the Halepuna signature flower on the bottom, much like the Halekulani and the orchid. The pool was long and narrow, with an infinity edge looking out to the ocean. It was a little chilly on this morning because the sun was hiding behind the clouds, but there were a few brave souls who ventured in. Here's a nice couple we met from California. It's a shame that Sheraton blocks our view, but I really can't complain. There's a full bar with poolside services and light bites and snacks available as well. Everything at the hotel is so well maintained. You can tell the staff really take pride in their work. There were plenty of loungers and umbrellas available, and even cabanas if you wanted to rent one. Nothing says Hawaii poolside like a frozen pina colada. On our visit, we found it to be mostly adults in the early part of the day, with kids and families returning after a day at the beach at around 3 or 4 o'clock. If you have a pool view room, this is where you would be. The pool and hot tub were relaxing and enjoyable. The Halepuna is not directly on the beach, but it's only a short walk over to Waikiki Beach. Now let's look at a little more of the hotel. The garden is a relaxation and rejuvenation space. Here you can find yoga classes and Tai Chi in the mornings. You'll truly forget that you're in the center of Honolulu and the hustle and bustle of its busy Kalakaua Avenue. Here you can enjoy gentle breezes and get a glimpse of the beautiful blue of the Pacific Ocean. The hotel describes the garden as a peaceful environment for small gatherings and self-reflection, and features a unique reflexology path designed to stimulate the soles of the feet while balancing the mind and body. Also on the 8th floor is the fitness studio. Here you'll find everything you need to enhance strength, endurance, and flexibility, featuring the high-tech Artists by Technogym innovative equipment. There's also an outdoor terrace if you need to catch a breath of fresh air. Studio was long and narrow with separate rooms, making it feel a bit more private for your workout. It's also open 24 hours, making it very convenient. But as you can see, it was not too popular on our visit at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This was another space in the Halepuna that was absolutely spotless. Whether you're looking for cardio or weights, the gym had a little something for everybody. And another clean space? The guest laundry, where you can find coin-operated washing machines and dryers. Getting hungry? Located in the lobby, you'll find Umi by Chef Vikram Garg, who was a former chef at Halekulani. Serving breakfast daily and dinner Wednesday through Sunday nights, Umi, meaning ocean in Japanese and mother in Arabic, is an ode to the ocean and what she provides. We were here for breakfast, which was much less seafood forward, but absolutely delicious. We chose the set menu, which included a starter, main, and coffee or tea. For us, it was included because we had chosen a bed and breakfast rate. Everything was amazing, but especially the mains of the French toast and the best pancake I've ever eaten. Looking for a quicker stop for breakfast? Look no further than the Halekulani Bakery, located adjacent to the Halepuna. There are a number of tables and chairs outside, as well as indoor seating. If you eat outside, just remember the birds are hungry too. The bakery does have limited hours, open Wednesdays through Sundays only from 6:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. All items are fresh and delicious. I definitely encourage you to stop in even if you're not staying at either of the hotels. I need to go back and try this. They also have fresh fruit and even vegan yogurt to try. And of course, a coffee bar. And now we're going to finish our breakfast, head upstairs, pack up our suitcase, and go across the street to the Halekulani. And we hope to see you there. Thanks for joining us at Hikanuki World Tour on our stay at the Halepuna Waikiki by Halekulani. Our travel wisdom for the day: the impulse to travel is one of the hopeful symptoms of life. Thanks again for joining us at Hikanuki World Tour at the Halepuna Hotel in beautiful Waikiki Beach on the island of Oahu. Join us again for our stay at Halepuna's sister hotel, the Halekulani, and we'll let you know how the two stack up against each other.